Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start preparation for the CPA. First, familiarize yourself with the exam's 4 sections: auditing and attestation, business environment and concepts, financial accounting and reporting and regulation. Next, confirm your state's specific eligibility criteria for education and experience. This ensures you meet all prerequisites before you begin. Finally, select a study approach that aligns with your personal learning preferences and schedule. Once you understand the basics, it's time to build your study plan. Invest in a high-quality CPA review course that offers extensive materials and support. Then, develop a realistic study schedule, aiming for 15 to 20 hours of dedicated study time each week. Consistency is key. Make sure to incorporate plenty of practice questions and full-length mock exams to test your knowledge and build endurance. Effective study techniques are crucial for success. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by taking thorough notes and summarizing key concepts in your own words. Strive for deep understanding rather than rote memorization, especially for complex topics. Continuously evaluate your performance on practice questions and adapt your study plan to address any weak areas. This iterative process will strengthen your knowledge. As exam day approaches, fine-tune your preparation. Take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps build stamina and manage time effectively. Dedicate time to reviewing your weakest areas and understanding common question formats. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest and maintain good nutrition in the days leading up to your exam for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.